Suzuki Gladius 650. Review ergonomics for female riders. Aimed primarily at new riders, the Suzuki Gladius 650 replaced the SV650 in 2009 but was replaced itself by a newer SV650 in 2016. The first SV650 was a good bike, and to be honest, Suzuki didn't have to do much to make it a great bike once more. But they went one better and gave us an excellent bike. Most people don't like the looks, but the real beauty is under the skin. The lovely fueled, smooth, punchy, little V-twin is brilliant. As an added bonus, it's easy to ride, yet still fun at the same time. It was available with a 33 brake horsepower power output aimed specifically at catering for those new to riding, but also featured ergonomics aimed at making it comfortable for female riders, making it one of the only bikes around in that regard. Ride quality and brakes. The Suzuki Gladius carries on the traits of the older SV650, which means it's easy to ride for new riders as an entry-level bike, but still fun enough for more experienced riders. There aren't any shocks or surprises, and it's very forgiving. Even with the pegs scraping, it's still compliant. Brakes are relatively budget but have excellent feel and only lack when ridden hard to up. The Gladius is small in every sense of the word. The seat height is a mere 785 mm, giving superb confidence to inexperienced riders whilst not feeling cramped for taller riders. Engine. The Gladius engine is 10% more efficient than the previous engine, and it's instantly noticeable. It's smoother, revs quicker as friction has been reduced, and has more mid-range. The fueling feels very similar to the GSXR range with a 10-hole fuel injector and twin butterflies. It's near perfect. Reliability and build quality. The old SV650 was solid, reliable, and even raced competitively in the Mini Twin Race Series without any major problems. The Gladius continued that reliable reputation, and the engine is solid. The level of finish on the Gladius is much higher than the old SV. Our Suzuki Gladius 650 owner's reviews detail a prevailing issue: a lack of kit, something we'd probably forgive due to the bike's low cost and the fact it's a naked, so we wouldn't expect a huge amount anyway. Value versus rivals. The Gladius offers real value for money in the used market. It appeals to a huge audience, from new to experienced riders. It certainly doesn't feel or look like a bike that costs just £4,500 new, and is almost on par with the much pricier Ducati 696, but without the flash labels. Equipment. As the price tag suggests, it's straightforward, no slipper clutch or multi-adjustable suspension. However, casting a critical eye of the level of finish, it's hard to see where Suzuki have cut costs, as it feels and looks quality. It's been designed and sculpted to take the more pricier Ducati 696 head-on, which it does, but at £1,000 less. Specs. Engine size 645 cubic centimeters. Engine type 8V 4-stroke V-twin, 6 gears. Frame type steel trellis. Fuel capacity 14.5 liters. Seat height 785 mm. Bike weight 202 kilograms. Front suspension 41 mm conventional forks preload only. Rear suspension single shock, preload only. Front brake 2x 290 mm twin piston caliper. Rear brake 240 mm disc single piston. Front tire size 120/70x17. Rear tire size 160/60x17. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 40 miles per gallon. Annual road tax £101. Annual service cost £400. New price. Used price £3,000 to £3,900. Insurance group 10 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage.